So this file here, PR or proj, it's a .prproj. It's a Premiere Pro project file. That's not the video. So this is an example, and I'm just going to import some media. So these are just some photos from the holidays. I'm going to drag and drop them in. So they are going to play as individual little pictures. It's not a sequence. If you are going to import a sequence, just in case you need to know that, you'd click that, go options, and then go import image sequence. That'll only work if the numbers are sequential. So like 64 to 68 isn't, but 71 to 72 is, but that's the renders from your project. Anyhow, I'll click cancel. So here we go. I've worked really hard on my video, and now I want it to be saved. So if I go save, still this project file is not what I want. I want a finished video. So I'm going to click file, then I'm going to go to export media, and there's a few settings that you'll have to adjust. Change this first box that says format to H.264. That essentially compresses everything but doesn't drop the quality. I'm going to use the presets. One of the ones I go to is either Vimeo 1080 or YouTube 1080p Full HD. So I'm going to choose that one. The output name, that is from the very first on the list of the files that you import, so change that. And it's also a good idea to change its location because it does tend to go to some crazy places. So this is just an example. And it can go on my desktop. You just make sure you know where it's going to. Otherwise, it'll go on some obscure file for Premiere Pro and it'll be really hard to find. So I'm going to go save. So you'll see now the file name has changed. Just have a wee look there to make sure that the width and height are correct. And then down here you click export. This will happen really fast because I've got a pretty quick computer and it's only a few pictures, so no big deal about the time there. If it's a big project, it'll take a long time. So now that I can minimize that, and we can now see this is an .mp4 and it's not the Premiere Pro project file. So if I was to play that and then hit play, this is I think default 5 seconds per picture. Me and my kids going parasailing, and off she goes. So I hope that's really what you're after. If not, come and see me and we'll sort something out.